paying it forward. So we developed this scholarship, Raffle, and with the support of generous donors to the Forgiveness Sons, the class of 2013, our community, and most importantly, our Heavenly Provider, I am proud to stand here and present our first scholarship to this recipient. We thank each and every one of you for your entries, and without further ado, I will read it off. Congratulations, this scholarship is awarded to Allison Zuniga. And as she comes down, I'll read the rest. It says, on behalf of Forgiveness Sons, Inc. and Hillside, class of 2013, we would like to present a scholarship in the amount of $2,500 to go towards your academic and future endeavors. Good luck and pay for keeping the